Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create tasks in UPBASE, the leading project management tool in 2025. To start, log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create one. Just follow the prompts on the screen. We begin with this step because it's essential to have access to the platform where we will create and manage our tasks. Now that we're logged in, find and click on the Projects tab on the left side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. All your projects, big or small, are housed here. Having done that, select the project you want to add a task to, or create a new project if you need to. The reason we do this is to ensure our tasks are organized under the right projects. It keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Next up, once inside your chosen project, look for the Tasks tab and click on it. Here's where you'll see a list of all tasks related to this project. To add a new task, simply click on the plus Add Task button, usually located at the top or bottom of the task list. This helps us because it provides a centralized place to add and manage all tasks related to a specific project. Now fill in the task details in the pop-up window. You'll need to add a task name, description, assignee, due date, and any other relevant details. Let me explain why this matters. Detailed tasks guide whoever is responsible for ensuring they know exactly what needs to be done and when. Once you've entered all the task details, click on the Save button. This finalizes and adds your task to the project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is registering your task, assigning it to your chosen team member, and setting reminders based on the due date you provided. And there you have it. You've successfully created a task in UPBASE. The reason this is important is that it helps you stay organized, manage your team's workload, and ensure no task falls through the cracks. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural this process will feel. And before you know it, you'll be creating tasks in UPBASE like a pro. That's it for today's tutorial on creating tasks in UPBASE. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.